Today I'd like to talk about how to use Emacs as a LaTeX editor. So you can see here we've got a vanilla Emacs setup and a very simple LaTeX document with just a single equation in it. So to get this set up to work a little bit nicer, we'll switch over to the Scratch buffer where we've got some configuration here. So we're just using the LaTeX package, so loading it with the use package, and we're just adding a couple of hooks. So the first hook is to turn on prettify symbols mode, so this will just convert some of our LaTeX commands into their corresponding Unicode, which just makes the source code a little bit nicer to read. And we're also turning on fly spell mode, which is a spell checker. So if we evaluate this code with Ctrl+X, this will install LaTeX if it's not already installed, and add these hooks. So now we can switch back over to our LaTeX document, and we have to restart it to get these changes to apply. So kill this buffer and reload it, and now it's reloaded. We can see down in the mode line that fly spell is turned on down here. And we can also see the prettify symbols mode is turned on because there's some Unicode characters in here, like this sum and infinity here. So what we want to do now is we want to see how we can create inline LaTeX previews inside this Emacs buffer. So LaTeX allows you to do this by default using the preview document function. So by default this is bound to Control-C, Control-P, Control-D, and this just compiles all the equations in your current buffer using LaTeX and displays the resulting images in line. So you can see we've got this nicely formatted equation here. So if you want to edit the code of this equation rather than just displaying the image, you can toggle this with Control-C, Control-P, Control-P, and this will toggle it, giving you the source code of the actual equation. So we can change this equation. Maybe we can change this to 2x, and then this equation no longer holds, so we'll go not equal to. So we've changed this equation. Now we want to recompile it. So we do that again with Control-C, Control-P, Control-P, and this will recompile just this specific equation. And you can see now we've changed this to e to the 2x is not equal to this sum. So that's how you use Emacs as a very simple LaTeX editor with LaTeX.